In this video, we shall help you how to bring light in your cuckoo clock. Please follow the video carefully before assembly. It is very important to follow them exactly to avoid damaging your cuckoo clock. All our clocks are lovingly made by hand. Please handle them with care. Use a strong, long Indian nail inclined at 45-degree angle upwards on an even wall surface. Preferred is minimum 8 feet above the ground. Carefully unpack the cuckoo clock, pendulum, weights and the craft. Cuckoo clock with music will have 3 weights. Cuckoo clock without the music will have 2 weights. Your clock is locked. Please do not open the small plastic bag attached at the bottom of your clock. Now rotate the clock. You will find a latch behind. Open the latch. Open the back cover and remove the paper strip at the back. Remove the 2 clamps. They are marked with pull-outs. You will find a groove and place the back cover back and lock the back cover. Unwind the wire at the base of the clock. Remove the wire. Do not remove the plastic bag. The uppermost hole is where the clock will be hanged. Hang the clock on a strong nail angled at 45 degrees upward and should flush on the wall. The clock must be in a vertical position. If not, the pendulum will stop swinging. Unlatch the door of the cuckoo bird by moving the wire to the side. If not unlatched, the cuckoo won't come out. Open the plastic bag at the base of the clock so that the chains fall down freely. At the base of the clock, you will find a loop. Hang the pendulum onto the loop. Hang each of the weights on the chain hooks. We shall place the craft on the roof of the clock. The screws on the craft will correspond to the hook on the roof. Place the craft on the left hook first and correspondingly slide it onto the right hook. This will fix the craft on the cuckoo clock. Your clock may have a lever to turn off the cuckoo bird and music. This feature will be in the side of the clock or at the base of the clock. The lever being on top means the cuckoo bird and music is off. Sliding the lever downward will make sure that the cuckoo bird and music is on. If your lever is at the base of the clock, then sliding the loop inside completely will make sure that the cuckoo bird and music is on. To start the clock, gently tap the pendulum to one side. The clock will commence ticking. This completes the complete installation of your cuckoo clock. Now we shall set the time. For setting the correct time, rotate the minute hand, long hand, in the clockwise direction, slowly, taking support of the center knob. Wait the strike to happen at 12. Now rotate it again clockwise to 6 hourly. Do not rotate the hour hand or the small hand. Do not rotate the minute hand in the anti-clockwise direction. If your clock stops 5 minutes after installation, then tilt your clock towards the left by few degrees and tap the pendulum again. Failing to which, If it stops again, then shift the clock back to its initial position and tilt it to the other side by few degrees. You will hear the tick-tock sound clearly. Winding your cuckoo clock. Depending upon the model, the clock must be wound every day or weekly. This is done by pulling the free end of the chain and raise them back to the top. Do not pull the weight, as this may break the gears in your clock. From Kismet, the house of cuckoo clocks, a happy melodious cuckoo